What's up, my two babies? It's Quela and babies. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, back. And if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and welcome to the family. So y'all, I'm not really trying to talk so loud because it's like real early in the morning, y'all. So I know y'all seen that title and I know y'all seen that thumbnail. That's why I clicked on this video. So it's early in the morning, y'all. Like it's on literally like 8 something in the morning. And I've been up since like 7. And y'all already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go ahead and prank your boy Isaiah. So I got this spray bottle right here, y'all. And I'm gonna make it seem like, so right now Isaiah is asleep. So that's why I'm like talking low, because he's asleep in the room or whatever. So y'all don't mind me because I got my bonnet and stuff on. But anyways, I just thought that I decided that I want to do this prank on him. Like, it's time to wake up every morning, y'all. It's only every morning it just be me and the baby up until Junior and Isaiah get up. Like, we be the first two, me and the baby be the first two up in the morning. So I told Zaire that we finna prank his daddy. So hopefully he don't wake up too soon. But I'm about to go ahead and set this camera up, and I'm about to make it basically seem like I'm sneezing on him. But whole time, I think Junior just woke up, y'all. Hopefully he don't wake his daddy up. But whole time he finna get, I can't even spray it.
Boy, if you don't
spray, there you go. Whole time he finna get sprayed on. So y'all, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell to be notified when your girl Quela drop a video. And I'm about to go ahead and set this camera up, and we finna get right into it. Scoot over, Junior.
Oh my god, bro.
And how
do you do that?
why?
Way too much.
That what mommy know what you talking about.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Oh.
Stop what? I clearly just sneezed.
Why you sneezed in my eye? Damn.
I sneezed over here. What are you talking about?
Well, I already heard from yesterday. I'll make it worse.
I said, let me see. Stop! Junior, stop. Let me see.
I'm already itching. Stop.
Okay, come here.
Like too much.
Now stop.
Isaiah, come here.
No.
Isaiah, come here. Let me see your eye.
Oh.
You said what?
I'm already itching.
You was mad because I sneezed? Isaiah, come here.
Oh. You play too much. Stop.
Yeah, what?
You're doing too much. I'm trying to go to sleep.
It ain't nothing but some water.
Stay and hurt. My eyes already itching.
Why you mad? He would.
Yeah. Mommy, oh, that's good paint.
That was a good prank. He
Yeah.
did.
Yeah.
You pissed off, y'all. I'm pissed off. You look like I'm gonna really spray something in your eye. Isaiah. You ain't talking to me?
You see, I'm trying to sleep. Like, yeah, let me sleep. Do some, probably another time or something.
How I'm gonna do that another time? First of all, the first time I really did sneeze. Y'all, he was really mad, y'all. Like, I knew he was gonna get mad. I had to kind of end it early, sooner than what I did, because he was like, "You always trying to do a prank or something." First time he didn't know it was a prank until I like kept doing it or whatever. Cause he know I won't do nothing like that, like for real, like sneeze on it for real, like that's nasty. But it's time to wake up. You always had me up every morning with the kids. Now it's your turn to be up with the kids. So we all up. He in the living room there. But he gonna be okay. He gonna be okay because you had me up every morning with the kids. Now it's your turn to be up with the kids. So he gonna be mad in the living room and he gonna be just fine. So yeah, y'all. Yeah, so I know y'all probably was looking like, asking me like, worried about like where I'll be and stuff like that. I basically had started a new job, and this job like literally like got me tired and exhausted. Like lately, this job literally been having me tired and exhausted. So that's why I'm trying to basically like make videos on my off days and stuff, so I can still be on, you know, YouTube or whatever. So because I want to obviously someday make YouTube my full-time job or whatever, whenever I get to that point. So that's why I still have to, you know, still be with making videos and stuff like that. So y'all, between this job and I posted a video yesterday, and I actually made that video like a couple of days before Mother's Day, but like I said, with this job and stuff, I wasn't able to actually like edit and all of that until like recently, because I had a lot of other stuff going on with my kids, doing my job and stuff like that, and y'all already know how they go. So, you know, I can't wait till I get to that point with me being on YouTube to actually like get paid for what I'm doing, to actually like start getting paid for my videos. So yeah. So y'all, he was mad, so I had to like basically tell y'all about that, because I don't want y'all to think like, dang, no, I didn't quit. I just slowed down from doing YouTube a little bit, but your girl back or whatever. I'm gonna be working, and then I'm gonna be still doing videos like I normally do. So y'all, what I'm about to do, go ahead and do right now, is make the kids some breakfast, since we already up, technically, since we up. Make the kids some breakfast, and make me something to eat and start my day. So yeah, that was a successful prank in a way, because he did get mad. I knew he was finna get mad because I woke him up. But baby, it's time to get up, because no, you had me up every morning with the kids, and it's time for you to get up. So I love you, baby. I'm sorry for doing that, but I'm not sorry, because now it's your turn to get up. But anyways, what I'm about to go ahead and do, like I said, I'm finna make the kids some breakfast and, you know, get my day started. So y'all, if y'all think that prank was a success, even though it was kind of short, but I did get his reaction. He got me in the living room. Like, I don't care. I don't care. I'm just playing. But no, like, I did get his reaction for him getting mad and going in the living room. But it's okay. It's okay. So y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when your girl Quela posts on her channel. And I'm gonna see y'all in another video.